In this video, we are going to learn how we can edit name range. To edit name range, first select any cell from the table. Like I am selecting B5 cell. Then click to Formula tab and in that click to Name Manager over here. The moment we have clicked Name Manager, new window will appear in front of us. Here, all name ranges will appear which is created by us over here. As of now, we have created only week 1. So select that week 1 and then click to edit option. The moment we have clicked edit option, new window will appear in front of us. We can change name from here. We can change reference in refer to option over here. To change reference, click to that option and delete this one and then select range of cell. Like now we are selecting cell from B5 to B8. Then click OK and then click close. The moment we have clicked close, amount of B10 has changed 32,510 because now week 1 range of cell is from B5 to B8. So like this we can edit name ranges. We can also add or delete name ranges. Step will be same. First select any cell from the table. Like I am selecting B5 cell. Then click to Formula tab and in that click to Name Manager. Same new window will appear in front of us. There is an option New and Delete over here. From New we can add new name ranges and from Delete we can delete existing name range. So like this we can edit, add or delete name range from Excel. Try it out in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video.